YouTube, so we just woke up and our first matter of the day is some protein shakes. YouTube, we just got the car ready for the gym. We got ourselves ready for the gym. We're on the way for a gym session. We got chest, tris, and shoulders. First day we're doing shoulders with a chest and tri split. So yeah. YouTube, we just got done with our workout. On the way. YouTube, today we're going out. We got the motherfucking McCleasy out today. We're gonna take a ride in a 570S today. Spanking of a car. This is the Spider version too. Oh my goodness. Sugar Daddy Drake. Sugar Daddy Drake. Oh my goodness.
Picked this up, so I was like, yeah, fuck it. Ricky loves this thing. I'll try it.
Dude, this thing is fucking sexy as shit.
I'm taller, but he's wider.
Yo.
He got the wide body kid.
Yo. Yeah, so we have that guy coming at 2. Apparently he's still going.
Alright.
I texted him, I sent you that screenshot.
This dog is in the middle.
That's my dog, Morena, what the fuck are you doing?
Wait, seriously?
I swear to God, that's my dog.
Oh my God.
No, just stop here, I'll put her aside.
Okay.
Yo!
She was just in the middle of the road.
What the fuck is she doing? Morena, come here. What the fuck are you doing? Yo! Morena, come here.
Oh, fuck. What the fuck? You're petting your dog?
Yeah, you want to pet her? Yeah, go ahead.
Can you shut the door? Make sure I don't hit your fucking dog.
What the fuck are you doing, bro? Mona, come here. Fucking idiot. You fucking idiot.
No.
Fucking retard.
Dude, I was like, whose dog is in the middle of the road?
Dude, this dog's a fucking idiot.
Come here. Come here.
She doesn't know you're friendly. All right, take fucking 2, I guess. Oh my goodness. My bad, gang.
No,
My bad. My bad.
oh, dude, that dog just hopped right in here.
Dude, it's like her car, bro. Oh damn. This is her shit now. Hold it, I think. Damn, this thing is rough. It's definitely a 1000 though,
Might be an R1.
Yeah, it's definitely a 1000 because that tire's fat as fuck. He just noticed it. He's looking for you. He wants it.
I don't think it would have went though.
Hell no, but it's a 1000. What is this? Oh, it's an R6. You'll definitely win it.
Oh, I might actually have this.
Go. Shit on him. Shit on the little 600. Honestly, I didn't expect it to be that much of a gap.
Might line up then.
I don't think it lined up. I don't know if he wants it. No, he's done. He's definitely done. R6 gapped. Dude, this thing just keeps on pulling. Oh my goodness. S3. Very nice.
I actually hate Audis.
You hate Audis?
Yeah.
You like the R8 though. That one guy's R8?
He's more of a friend, so I'm just nice to him about it.
Yeah.
Actually, R8's probably one of my least favorite.
You guys still have the original windshield?
Yeah.
Can this even capture it? This is McLeasy.
But one Audi I do like is my TTRS I had.
That's the first time I talked to you with the TTRS.
That was awesome.
Yeah.
I miss that car.
It was so tiny though.
Not on the inside. That car, oh my god. I don't know.
Shit.
Yeah, that aesthetic is there.
Yeah. Dude, the GT4 RS I drove, bro, that thing's insane.
Really?
It's not fast. It's not fast. It just sounds insane.
Well, the thing is, that car is kind of fast. It has what, like 500 wheel?
No, like 4 wheel. But it's not even
480. Something like that.
No, it's not even that fast. But the point is, it sounds fucking amazing.
The other thing is, it doesn't weigh anything, so it is pretty quick.
Yeah, but it's not as fast as like this.
Yeah.
It's not as fast as the GTS. My car keeps up with it.
Yeah, but if I put that thing on the track,
it's insane. Yeah,
if I put swags behind the wheel of that thing.
Dude, that's GG's for fucking everything. This guy's gonna be an asshole. This guy's gonna be an asshole. Fucking, what a dickhead.
Piece of shit.
Not a dog though.
Coordination was horrible, but we got third spot. Third spot. This isn't even third spot. This is a fast one.
It is a fast one. Bye bye, my nigga. Bye bye, my nigga.
Yo, these niggas good as hell, boy.
Are we taking it?
No, we're just
one against 5-0 against Red Eye.
against Red Eye.
Oh,
So, what's your name?
Hey, we got hella views on ours though. We're almost at a K. We're almost at a K.
What is
Almost.
the boat? What is the boat?
G. Yeah, we went with
ZO1 versus a Red Eye. What are your thoughts? You think we win it?
Nah, I honestly don't think so.
You think
I just got a tune on it. That's it.
That's it? So,
Yeah.
is this some stock Red Eye?
Yeah, stock. Just got it 2 days ago.
What are you doing? 60s?
Yeah. 60, 50, whatever you want, bro. I mean, anything below, I'll spin, but it's fine. No, same. Well, I don't know. I'm trying to tire out, so I think I'll do all right. Yo, hook for sure,
I
bro.
think y'all do 60s.
It's cold. I don't know. Yeah, we just did a 60 right now, and I spun like. Just you or yours? I raced the Mustang.
Hey, I love your car. I've always wanted a big car.
Oh hell no. And it's on Slicky Week.
See if I can get it on camera.
Yeah. Hey, sorry, bro. Yeah. And the M5. They're doing. I bet.
I'll do 45, I'll do 50.
Hell no. Who the fuck is hooking on a 40? Who the fuck is hooking on a 40, bro? You're not hooking on no 40, bro. Hey, y'all want to get the ZO1 or the Red Eye?
Shit, we're down. We'll cap both of those.
Hey, bro, calm down, buddy. You guys are down?
Yeah.
Okay, bet. 60s.
Yeah.
Yeah, bet. This shit nice as hell too, boy.
It's a family car, bro.
Family car?
Family car,
You got,
4 doors.
you got 5 niggas in you. You got luxury.
Seriously, bro.
You got the massage system in this shit.
Sir!
Bro, on the chat, bro. In the chat, bro. This nigga wilding out. He's taking too much, bro. That royal honey.
in my veins.
Yo.
Honey?
The royal honey.
Yeah.
They take Viagra in there.
That GTI is not in there. That boy.
Where's that ZO1?
That's it. He's not behind us. Oh, hell no, nigga. That nigga in the red eye is getting.
You look beautiful, gang. Yo, shout out to the big one.